So guys, welcome back. In this tutorial we will see downloading IntelliJ. IntelliJ is the IDE for Java developers and we will write our codes inside the IntelliJ. So go to Google and write download IntelliJ and then click jetbrains.com. When you see this, you can choose your computer version, for example, Mac or Linux or let's say Windows. I will download community version from here and you can get an ultimate version. Okay guys, so before the lesson, actually I downloaded this. I don't want to lose time here. So let's go here. I will double click on this. I will say yes, and here next, and here next. Here I will choose, this is my computer version, 64-byte launcher, and let's write create associations.java, and I will say add launchers dir to pass and click next, and then install. So I set this up and here I want to say I want to manually reboot later and let's click finish. Okay guys, our IntelliJ downloaded to here. Let's double click on this and let's write a config or installation directory. Actually, let's say do not import settings. This is the last version of IntelliJ IDE. So guys, first of all, I want to show you, go to plugins here. And if you want to do, if you aren't new to programming or if you want to use some kind of plugins here, you can download it from here. But I want to show you some magic here. Go to customize, and if this window is white, you can change it to a Dracula from here. Okay, I will change this to Dracula, and for example, let's say you will see this like this. But if you want to do a black background, because I will use black background, this is a kind of programming culture, let's say. This is so funny, so cool. I will choose Dracula and I will come here projects. Let's create a new project. I will say here, you can see a Java and click next. I will click here another next and I will give name to my application or my, let's say, example. Let's write here example and I will say finish. You can see here, I got my example folder. Let's create a Java class. I will write, let's say, main. And this is my Java class here. Okay guys, so let's finish our lesson and let's see in the next lecture. Actually, in the next lecture, we will see using all of these classes or folders. Okay guys, see you.